$5,000 per month online sounds like a big number to someone who has never made money on the internet before. But in reality, it's not a difficult goal. It's a misunderstood one. Most people think $5,000 per month requires special talent, technical skills, or some hidden secret. What it actually requires is focus and consistency. The reason it feels hard is because most people never stay focused long enough. $5,000 per month does not come from doing many things at once. It comes from doing a few simple things repeatedly. That's where most people go wrong. They overcomplicate the process and then blame the system when it doesn't work. The first misunderstanding is scale. $5,000 per month is not a massive business. It's a small online operation that's executed consistently. You don't need thousands of sales. You don't need viral traffic. You need a manageable number of people taking action each month. When you break it down, $5,000 could come from a handful of commissions per week, depending on the offer. Once people understand the math, the goal stops feeling overwhelming. Another reason people struggle is distraction. They jump between platforms, products, and strategies. One week they're focused. The next week, they're trying something new. This constant switching prevents momentum from building. Momentum is everything online. Platforms reward consistency. Audiences reward familiarity. When you show up regularly with a clear message, results compound quietly. Most people also underestimate how powerful simple content can be. They think they need complex explanations or advanced techniques. In reality, clarity converts better than complexity. If someone understands what you're explaining, they're far more likely to trust you. Trust leads to clicks. Clicks lead to commissions. This chain is simple, but most people break it by trying to be impressive instead of helpful. Another major obstacle is unrealistic timelines. People expect results in weeks when the process often takes months. They don't realize that early content is building a foundation, not income. $5,000 per month usually appears after consistency has already been established. It's not sudden. It's gradual. Most people quit right before they would have seen progress. The people who succeed understand that the early phase is training. They're training themselves to communicate better. They're training the platform to understand their audience. They're training their mindset to stay patient. $5,000 per month online is easier than people think because it doesn't require extraordinary effort. It requires ordinary effort applied consistently. The real difficulty isn't the work. It's staying committed when results are slow and feedback is minimal. That's where most people fail. Those who don't quit eventually realize that the process was simpler than they expected all along. Follow and subscribe for more side hustle ideas. If you are in need to generate income today, go to www.kill9to5.com.